Packing up because we start a trek, another adventure. This time we're driving to Vancouver again. But it'll just be me, Gutu, and Simon. Gotta play it safe. We're just gonna do slow cruise up, follow all the road rules, no rush. By the way, wearing the brand new Lost Royalty full zip up. Check this out. Alright. This is actually now available in limited quantities online at kingsdomsterraz.com, so go get your cake. It's about a 10-hour drive, so really should be getting my rest. Peace. Here we go! Alright, we're just about to start this adventure and it is raining. I'm matching Gutu's car right now. They fixed the roads up enough so that the actual trip takes us like 10 hours instead of 12. It's filling up at Petro. Probably gonna grab breakfast at Timmy's before heading out, and then we can start the journey. What we're up to right now. Taping off some areas because I know for a fact that rocks are gonna be going into them. Probably won't be able to put any tape on the front, which was my plan because it's too wet now, but should be okay. Got Goots. You ready?
Still gotta fill up.
Derps. Almost home.
Oh yeah, it's just like 2 seconds away.
Scene. Before we get started, I have a bunch of stuff here that I should be prepping, including cell phone holder, external mic. I don't know if I'm gonna need that. This GPS system. Here we are in the middle of the mountains, stuck in traffic. Unbelievable. I have no idea what's going on up there. Let's see these. Bruv. It goes way far. You got these two guys going from car to car asking people for an auxiliary cord. Dude, you need music on this road trip. And I think Simon's actually selling these guys one. No way. Like dealing headphones on the side of the road. Got one. Yeah, no worries, man.
Each other? Like matching.
Yeah, we're in a crew, but we're driving to a car show in Vancouver.
Yeah, I was gonna say like matching. That's so.
All right, now you guys got music, man.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Safe drive. That's awesome. Yo, traffic's going again. Finally. Oh my goodness. Bad luck spot. Woo! Probably grab something to eat inside, unless we just do drive-through McDonald's or something. We're just gonna fill up and keep going on our merry way. I don't want to spend too long here. Here you go, sir. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna take a small break. I'm gonna let Simon drive so I can get some rollers in my own car, and I'm gonna be sitting in with Gutu. Halfway there, man.
Halfway still.
Yeah, we got like 6 more hours. Alright. What? Is that really how far he was leaning back?
He was snapping.
That's why. I couldn't see him in my rear view. Alright, time to sleep. I'm just kidding, almost sleep. Actually not even all that tired. How are you?
Not too bad actually. I was like distracted by the mountains.
Alright, we are now in Kamloops. Probably the last fill up of the trip. I would probably call Kamloops like the home stretch point. Simon says we're gonna chill here for a bit and wait for one of his buddies who's actually gonna be showing with us at our booth. It's a R35 that's actually coming up from Calgary as well, and he's only like 20 minutes behind us, so he should be here any minute. And we're also gonna be meeting Jarek in Merritt, which is like another hour and 30. So we're gonna get a small convoy going to Vancouver. Oh, whoa! Yeah, don't worry. It's gonna wear this out eventually. Yo, we just met up with Joseph. Got that crazy R35 right there, and Simon's still driving my car. Whee! We'll see you guys in Merritt. There he is! What?
Making my car look bad.
Yo, yo! What up? Damn, that looks crazy!
No, come on. What's good? How
are you?
Good, man. Yeah, I miss you.
I feel like my rap is subpar now.
What the hell?
Man.
Yeah, that is intense! It's my car!
I miss you! I miss you! No homo.
Reunited. What the? Yo. Whoa. Whoa.
Too good.
Where are you going?
Damn.
Where are you headed to? Vancouver? From where? Really? You guys are just cruising BC? So I bet you if you guys were to do a truck.
Hey, charge, man.
Oh, cheers, man. Yo. Dude, this thing's a beast, man. They disappeared. So Simon was using my FRS, Joseph with this thing, and these guys just disappeared.
I'll just follow him.
That's why, man. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, okay, fine.
Derpy's on the line.
Oh, yeah. Kidding me? No, don't stop, dude. Is that a tow truck?
I was like, okay, I was the first car, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna move over to the next lane. Yeah. And like, usually when you move over to the next lane, if the cop's on the curb, it doesn't matter, right?
Yeah.
But for some reason, this cop was parked on the highway, like he was actually legitimately parked on the highway, and there was another emergency vehicle further down, which looked like it was on the curb.
Yeah, we saw that.
Like, I don't know what the fuck, but like, then he pulled me over, and he's like, you failed to yield to the car. Get it if he's like halfway on the lane, but he was legitimately on the highway with like another vehicle down further ahead, which looked like he was doing something else.
At least you're okay, dude. Okay, we'll catch up with you on the highway again. Yo, he's safe.
Okay?
Yeah.
Feel bad.
Huh? No, it's okay. I think he got a ticket for failing to yield, but he wasn't speeding.
No. Like, I mean, like, we're doing like a good speed.
Regular? Oh, there he is, man. Oh my god, dude. We see the message and then we see you. We're like, wait, no. This isn't supposed to be happening. Oh my gosh. One for the LR.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
How much?
Failed to slow near stop emergency vehicle. Not 47. 47.
Curtis's house now to pick up Derpy FRS's, well, FRS. Is this actually it? Dude, this is a mansion. Yeah, right. Are you serious? Room number 8. Where are we? Yeah, thought we had this entire mansion to ourselves. It was a joke.
Not even a TV.
Yeah, dude. My bad. I want to show a photo of this specific room, but they said they had like a kitchen, bathroom. But yeah, it's basically a mansion split into like a whole bunch of different rooms, so it's pretty much like its own hostel. And the owners of this place are just raking in the money. It's smart. Peace. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a night. See you in tomorrow's vlog.